In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in DocuSign. Now, whether you're just getting started with DocuSign and want to tailor it to your regional preferences, or you've been using it for a while and need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps to make this change smoothly and efficiently. First things first, we need to head over to DocuSign's website. Make sure you've logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the main dashboard. This is your launching pad for all the customizations we'll be doing today. Next, you'll want to look for and click on Admin. Usually it's located towards the top right of your screen. This section is where you'll manage most of your account settings, so it's great to familiarize yourself with it. Take a few moments to explore if you're curious. Once you're in the admin section, your next task is to locate the signing and sending section. It might seem buried amongst other settings, but don't worry, it's a key area you'll be visiting often. In here, you can adjust everything related to the act of signing documents, which includes our focus today, date formats. You'll then click on Signing Settings. This option is a gateway to standardized settings for your documents and an area that helps tailor how documents appear to your recipients. From here, we're further tweaking the formats to fit our needs. Now, within the signing settings, you'll want to go to Document Formatting. This is your control center for the overall layout and appearance of your documents. It's here you can apply various formats to the date signed field. When you've reached Document Formatting, you'll see options to change the current date format. You might recognize these formats. It could be a day, month, year format, or maybe month, day, year, depending on your location preferences. Take a moment to select which structure suits your needs best. This same ease of customization extends to the current time format if that's something you'd like to tweak as well. Remember, with any changes, it's crucial to finalize them. Once you're satisfied with your new settings, don't forget to click Save Changes. This ensures all the customization you've made will be applied to future documents, securing seamless operation and appearance in line with your preference. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your date format in DocuSign. Customize your documents exactly as you need them. Practicing these steps will make you faster over time. Remember, anytime you need a refresher, you can always refer back to this video. I'm glad to help personalize your DocuSign experience. Thanks for tuning in. Or